pool club up on the second floor. So now we're going back out to High Street to check the next alley out. There's lots of alleys here to check out. Next alley is the old store. Like the store that sells sort of everything at reasonable, very reasonable prices. And there's a real butcher store on High Street. Very good prices, by the way. Look at the prices here. 4 pork chops, 4 chicken fillets, 10 euros. 4 beef burgers, 4 pork chops, 4 fillets, and a pound of steak mince, 20 euros. That's probably enough to get through a week for a single person. Either one of those orders. You can probably get paid for 10 euros, get through about a week of food. This is the famous Teddy O'Connor's traditional Irish pub. A lot of beer. A lot of beer consumed there. Beer stalls. Now here are some photographs I really like. These are Peter Cox. He does really good photographs. He's been here forever. And obviously these photographs you see here are what's left after doing 10,000 photographs. And this is a parking lot. And another restaurant, mostly Mexican. And someone getting Wi-Fi there. And you have the usual pay for parking. You see all over. There's a Mexican restaurant. Wine bar. They all may be affiliated, actually. And here's the Uptown restaurant. Which may or may not still be in business. Now here we have some little shops. It's the back of the Mexican restaurant. Casita Mexicana. Artisan Mexican food. Now these are residential apartments. Cute little apartments. It's a massage therapy place. And we're walking the back alleys of Killarney. Little apartments. Very cute. Here's another Turkish barber. I'm not sure what Turkish barbers mean and if they're really Turkish. But apparently there's a lot of demand for Turkish barbers. Is curtains made to order. Let's do this alley. We didn't do it yet. This Turkish barber shop is full. Look at all the people. Sorry about coughing. This is the Mañana Cafe and Bistro. And what women want. These little pictures are very well known. Picture of flowers. Someone at a half door. A cat. Another person at a half door. Another person at a half door. And a very unusual looking cat. And here's the Lulay Turkish barber shop. with lots of balloons. JMac, mailboxes, etc., and computer and printer specialists. And this is Noel's. Well, sort of a coffee shop, all-day coffee shop. Okay, let's go back the other way. So look for some more info. Computer stores open. Another barber shop. I'm not sure whether Turkish is the style of the haircut or the barbers themselves are Turkish. Don't know. The Zone Cafe open for lunch. Lots of cute little shops here in Killarney. Here's the Orchid Day Spa. Looks like they do sewing. That's all sewing and alterations and curtains there. And here's Radio Kerry. That's what that sign says. I guess it's the radio station of Radio Kerry. Then you have people near and dear to my heart. A whole group of solicitors. Andrew O'Connell, Noreen Brown, and Mark Griffin. It says BCL. Not sure what that means. I guess that's their degree, maybe. Yes, it is. And then there's Prague O'Donnell. He has a BC and a LLB. That's typically what a law degree is. So I don't know. They may be paralegals. I'm not sure what the laws are here about what they get. Well, here's a Siam cut. Another barber shop. Lots of barber shops. Here's the spoiler and a confection store and the Hazel's Nuts About Vintage. Hazel has vintage stuff here. Vintage usually means used. Do not know if this is used or not. That's a studio by Marta. Now I want to show you one more store that I think is sort of cool. It is a wool store. Here's a coffee store, Irish coffee and chocolates. Here's another barber. Walk-ins welcome. And here is the Aaron Sweater Market. And we have the Lamb who starts it all. And they have free shipping anywhere in the world with any order. And this looks like wool. And they take the hide off. That's what it looks like. Yeah, brown wool, natural color wool, and lots of sweater materials. Even towels or scarves with your family seal on them. Each family has a different style, so you can tell one another apart. And they have lots of sweaters, and they're all made in Ireland. This is the taxi stand. And here's some more stores. This is the Killarney Towers Hotel. Scruffy's Bar. And now we're going to stop recording at this point because we've done the bulk of our alley tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, subscribe. Remember, this is brought to you by Gary's Tours.